my name is Dasha, and I'm the Director of Business Development at Microant. I'm very excited to tell you about the I-MEC Inventor-Manufacturer Entrepreneurship Convention that we will be hosting at Microant between August 31st and September 1st at our facilities in Jacksonville. As a company inventing and manufacturing our own antenna technologies, we have learned a lot along the way of our 20-year growth path, and we have developed many great partners, customers, and vendors all over the world who are also inventor manufacturers like ourselves. Because of this, we wanted to bring together both the people in our network directly as well as the incredible community here in Florida in order to participate in a jointly held workshop. During the 2 days of the event, we'll be talking about risk and reward, strategies for bootstrapping or funding your business, and how to grow your business without exploding or getting into too much trouble to a successful exit if you're an inventor manufacturer. Then we'll be hosting the second half of the first day of the workshop, an event called Don't Share That, where many founders, including an open floor session, will share some of the worst things that happened to their business and how they managed to survive and thrive after a major setback. And then on the second day of the workshop, we're going to be having 4 interactive hands-on workshops with incredible experts in sales, marketing, prospecting, and strategy in order to help your business come up with meaningful, practical steps you could take to help grow your inventor manufacturing business. All are invited, and we're going to have lattes and lunch here in our facilities, as well as incredible networking event on Wednesday afternoon at a local brewery. We're here to support other growing Florida businesses, as well as our partners, customers, and friends all over the world who are inventing and manufacturing incredible technologies. Hope to see you there and to make an impact together. Please hang tight to hear from some of our speakers.
Hi everyone, Ron Cote here. I'm a senior account manager at Dalkia Energy Solutions. I've been designing projects and selling for over 35 years. I hope you can join us at the I-MEC Inventor-Manufacturer Entrepreneurship Conference on August 31st and September 1st at the Microant Global Headquarters in Jacksonville, Florida. I'll be running a workshop known as ABC, Always Be Closing. I'll be discussing that can mean different things to different people into different industries, and how my process of ABC has changed over the years, both good and bad. It can also mean closing a prospect early in the process that does not fit your business before wasting time and money. Myself, along with Eric Steele, whom I have worked with for over 13 years, will even do some role playing of actual scenarios to get a better understanding of different techniques. Be sure to register now, secure your ticket, and we hope to see you in Jacksonville. Thank you.
I'm really excited by the I-MEC event, and I think what I'm most excited about is the real life stories of success and disaster that people will be sharing, and I'm looking forward to sharing a few of my own. I recently published a book. It'll be coming out this fall, and it has a lot of these stories compiled. But the book is aimed at entrepreneurs and has a concept in it called the 4S Transform. And at the I-MEC event, for the very first time, I am going to be presenting the 4S Transform. So I'm really interested to see how that people respond to it, and if it has the sort of value that I think it does. So see you there. Bye-bye.
Hi, everyone. Eric Steele here, Vice President, Business Development for Dalkia Energy Solutions. Been in the sales space for over 20 years now myself. We hope that you're able to join us at the I-MEC Inventor-Manufacturer Entrepreneurship Conference on August 31st and September 1st at the Microant Global Headquarters in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to be running a workshop geared around prospecting and cold calling. I look forward to sharing my experiences with the successes that I've had, the failures, and overall thoughts on how to be productive at prospecting and cold calling. We'll talk about finding the right prospects and really understanding that it is okay to understand that not everybody is the right fit for your product or service. We will do some role playing and run some different scenarios that you might run into. And we'll talk about some methods to really overcome those objections. We also hope to do some live calling, where if you're able to bring some of your list or prospects that you would really like to talk to, hopefully we can jump on some calls and see if we can book a couple meetings using some of those techniques and methods that we talk about during the session. So be sure to go grab your ticket now, and we hope to see you in Jacksonville.